By using a model-driven approach to create conversations, you can implement a simpler and more robust dialogue. Entities are used to identify and extract specific pieces of information from user inputs, but some entities can also model real-life objects. Composite bag entities, for example, are groups of related entities that are used together to represent a real-world object, such as person, order, expense, or account. Value list entities are predefined lists of values that can be used to group product categories or food options, for example, as we see here, and that can also consist of an object representation. We can use entities to drive conversations, in particular, composite bags and value list entities. Moving logic out of the dialogue flow into entities can also help to simplify the design and reduce the workload of building and maintaining the flow. This can be done by defining the business logic and rules in the entities themselves, rather than in the dialogue flow. All the prompts, validation, error messages, extraction rules, and more can be defined in the entities. We can see here a user starting the conversation in the welcome state, after which there are 3 main complex interactions. Each one of those dialogues is driven by the associated entity. Model-driven is not a term used in the documentation, it's not a technology, it's a concept. The concept is that we break up the conversation into objects. And while it is possible to implement business logic in the dialogue flow, the real power lies in the entities. Furthermore, entity event handlers make an even more compelling case as it allows to address more complex logic also within the composite bag. Let's look at a demo of the ordering pasta skill, where we have 2 main composite bags driving the conversation. One for the order pasta and another for the delivery contact. This is the order pasta skill. The order pasta object consists of bag items that represent pasta type, pasta size, extra toppings, and the number of portions. The delivery contact object has the name, address, and phone number bag items. The dialogue flow that handles this is straightforward. It has a welcome state, and then 2 resolve composite bag entities, each one resolving one entity. We then have another output message to finalize the flow. Let's test it and see how many conversation turns can these 4 states handle. We start with ordering pasta. After the start message, we enter the resolve composite bag state for the order pasta, and here the entity takes over and drives the interactions. All the prompts come from entity definitions. All of these interactions happen within the same state, as you can see. Now, for the delivery contact details, the second resolve composite bag takes over. This shows the power of model-driven conversations. For more information, please ask our assistant Artie. You can find the links in the description.